Welcome to Columbia Ford Kia 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. Today we're reviewing the 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. Today we're going to review, get somewhat of an exhaust clip, as well as test drive the 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. So let's get started. It features gorgeous 17-inch 15-spoke aluminum wheels and what many call the perfect powertrain. Its 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle 4-cylinder engine also uses a 275-volt battery to make the Fusion a hybrid. It's rated up to 43 miles per gallon, and at 700 miles to a tank of gas, you may forget which side the fuel tank is on. This car can be solely powered by the battery at speeds up to 47 miles per hour. Attached to this award-winning powertrain is an electronically controlled, continuously variable transmission. This also maximizes vehicle efficiency. So you've seen the exterior and the engine. Let's go inside. Keyless entry. Here we have power windows, power mirrors, as well as power locks. As typical with Ford vehicles, the Fusion Hybrid features dual zone climate control, as well as heated seats, navigation,
Please proceed to the highlighted route, and then the route guidance will start.
By Microsoft. And who could forget the radio? When you hit media, an option comes up of watching a CD or DVD over the screen here. You can go to your jukebox, which can contain up to 10 gigabytes of music, or you can connect a user device, such as an iPod, through the auxiliary inputs in the center console. For entertainment, it's got it all. So let's start it up. Yup, it's that quiet. A really cool feature on this includes that the better your fuel economy, the more leaves will pop up to the right of your instant MPG. This is a really neat feature because you can see how well you're doing with fuel consumption. 8-way power adjustable front seats, driver and passenger side. This one features the HD radio option. All controlled by switches on the steering wheel, that way you don't have to leave. Also, voice connectivity.
Please say a command.
Audio.
Audio. Please say a command.
Sirius.
Sirius. Please say a command.
2.
Sirius 2.
And now we're listening to Channel 2. Power moonroof is available. Leather trimmed interior. AC input, so you can charge anything you need. Very spacious trunk. Not quite as much as any other mid-sized sedan would have, but it gets the job done. You really don't buy the Fusion Hybrid for space. Like most hybrids, it's a little bit cramped. However, the back seat does not sacrifice room at all, as seen here. Sony decided the 12-speaker sound system. Another neat thing about the Fusion Hybrid, this is leather. However, the cloth interior is made of recycled fabric, which is eco-friendly. Good for the environment, like the rest of your. So now it's time to get behind the wheel, and we'll take it for a drive around the lot. So, we're driving around in the Fusion Hybrid, and it is incredibly quiet. Let's get an idea. Much quieter than any other car. Now we can turn the radio up a little bit, and we'll talk a little bit. Now, for a hybrid, the first impression, you would feel like you would sacrifice performance for fuel economy. Well, it's certainly no GT500. However, the new Fusion Hybrid does get up and go, just as much as you need it to. It's fun to drive. It's more like a golf cart than anything. The virtual forest on the screen hasn't really developed yet. I'm just driving around here, so it's not going to do much. However, on those long trips, it's sure to give you a little bit of entertainment, as if the entertainment center wasn't enough here. This is one of the best dressed interiors that I've seen in Ford cars for a long time. The edges have gotten really nice. The SUVs, obviously. However, just some of the compact cars that are out today, some of them just don't cut it. It's not quite a compact car, but for a mid-size hybrid that's under $33,000, I'm very impressed with how high quality the interior and exterior features are. So, we're about to conclude this drive in the 2012 Ford Fusion Hybrid. It's a great car. They're kind of hard to get your hands on, so if you find one, buy it. If you want us to get you one, we can certainly do that for you. Give us a call at 860-228-AUTO. That's 228-2886. Visit us at www.columbiaford.com. We're also a Kia dealer. Our inventory for both Ford and Kia can be found on columbiaford.com. Like us on Facebook to join into our discussions. Join into our giveaways that we always do. And just keep up to date with what we're doing here at Columbia Ford. We're the largest dealership for Ford and Kia in Eastern Connecticut. And we would love to help you out with all of your needs as far as service, parts, or buying a new car or a used one. We have a great selection, great staff, great loyal viewers like you. Thank you very much for watching. This is Toph the Demo Dude in the 2012 Fusion Hybrid.